Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have given a geometric figure and here this angle is 50 degree, this angle is 40 degree, this angle is 30 degree. We have to find this angle. At first, consider in this triangle A, B, C. In this triangle, sum of these three angles, angle A and angle B and this angle C, this will be 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Or substitute the value of A and C, we will get the value of B. So angle A is 50 degree. So this will be 50 degree plus this angle B plus we have given C is equal to 30 degree is equal to right side 180 degree. Or this angle B plus 50 degree plus 30 degree, this is 80 degree is equal to right side 180 degree. Now taking this 80 degree to right side, we will get the value of angle B. So angle B is equal to this 180 degree minus this 80 degree. 180 degree minus 80 degree, this is 100 degree. So this angle is 100 degree and sum of these two angle is 180 degree. As this is 100 degree, so this angle will be 80 degree. Now in this triangle, for any triangle, if we extend on side, then the external angle will be sum of these two interior angle. So in here, this angle X is equal to, if this angle is A and this angle is B, then from here X will be A plus B. By this, we will get this unknown angle as 80 degree plus 40 degree. So this unknown angle is equal to this 80 degree plus this 40 degree is equal to 80 degree plus 40 degree is 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.